Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually run your dstv-installation-wizard on a Zappa AD decoder if you are living in Nigeria. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote, and to proceed with this, you first have to get a stable signal from the satellite before you can even proceed to scan it and get your channels and activate it to enjoy. So after turning on your dstv decoder, you need to make sure that you have connected the cable from the satellite dish that have a stable signal. Alright, so on the first page we have language option right here. We have Portuguese and English. So we're gonna go with English. You press OK on it, and when you come here you have the satellite option. So with the satellite you need to select the E36B, the first option that was on it. So it will be a different option, so you need to change it to the E36B since you are living in Nigeria, and you press OK to proceed. Press OK to proceed. So on the second page, or on the third page, you have the manual setup. Come down to the manual setup, not the quick setup, manual setup, and you press OK to proceed. So on this page here, LND page, you have the LND type to be universal. Since the Zappa AD decoder, you have to install it with a universal LND. It normally comes along with universal LND, but you can also install it with a Zappa with a unique cable LND. So if it happens to be that they install it with a unique cable LND, you have to change it from the universal to the unique cable TM, so I SAT-CR. But normally it comes along with a universal LND, so they're going to install it with a universal LND. So in case you put it on the universal LND, you need to come down to the scan option to check whether the signal status, something will show for you to know that there is a signal over there. So on the right side of the page you have some signal indicator over there. As you can see, there is some blue tip which indicate that there is some signal. So in case you select the universal and nothing shows, you can change it to the unique cable LND type to check whether, and then you come down to the scan option and then check whether that gives you some signal indication over there. Alright, so use the universal and make sure that you are having a signal from the satellite dish, which will let the indicator shows that you are having a signal before you can proceed. If there is no signal from the satellite dish, you can't even proceed to scan. So after reaching here, you press OK on the scan option to actually scan the decoder. Alright, so after scanning, if it happens to be that they have not activated the decoder before it's a new decoder, all you got to do is to pick the IUC number of the decoder. You're going to find the IUC number at the back of the decoder. There is some stickers over there. You pick the IUC number, or you can go to the menu, look for settings, general information, help, general information, and then you're going to find the IUC number over there. So you call the STV office and then you provide them the IUC number and they will do the activation right there for you. Alright, if you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll come back for more. Thanks for watching.